So Makhumalo actually tried everything in her power to separate Musa and Makhwela. Yo! Meanwhile, Lwandle wants nothing to do with whatever is going on between his mother and the other wives. On the other hand, Sneh is calling out Makhumalo and Mayeni. It's a lot. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, simply hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Set it to all so that you do not miss out on anything. Now let's get into this mess. Uthando Nesthembu is the gift that keeps on giving, okay? So according to one of the recent episode clips from the show, Makhumalo did everything in her power, humanly possible, to separate Musa and Makhwela. Even to the extent of going to Musa and telling him that Makhwela is dating other people. Now this is deep, okay, because a few episodes ago, Makhumalo was saying how Musa never loved Makhwela, how Musa ended up marrying Makhwela only because she's the only one that said yes to the marriage and everything like that. But now this coming to light, I'm starting to look at Makhumalo sideways like, oh, really? You had to go that far? What is happening, you know? I'm also now wondering where she got the tea from that Samke was busy with other men. So this is now making us understand why she's so adamant about getting Makhwela's child's DNA. And one thing I can say at this point is that this polygamy thing is never worth it. I understand it's part of our culture as Africans, but it seems like a horror movie from the outside looking in. Lwandle on the other side is like, I don't want to get involved. Okay. On his sit down with his mother, when she warned him about Mzumbe, he stopped her right then and there, saying that he has nothing to do with their squabbles. Basically telling him that I'm a man, y'all are ladies, I want nothing to do with whatever is going on between y'all.
Mina manje sizodala umthini.
Ungayingento yasemzumbe.
Ma. Ukuthi bona babanganobani ngene mina la.
Mina nifike kumina. Nazo ngitshela ukuthi uMakhwela uthandana nabanye abantu.
Naye wayemention izinto ababekade bekhuluma.
Ayikho ingane eyozalwa ingenziwa i-DNA test.
Ngikunikezela i-DNA ukuthi nje ngikwanelisa.
Meanwhile, Sneh is saying that nothing broke her little heart more than watching the way Mayeni and Makhumalo treated her father when he was sick. She's saying that that time they knew very well that they were not supposed to cause him stress because of his condition, yet that's exactly what they did to him. What they were supposed to do instead was to cuddle this man and nurse him back to life. But instead he was accused of pretending to be ill. And she's not happy with that at all. Now take a look and let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Ngikho happy indlela omama babemtreatsa ngayo abamtreatsanga kahle. Kufanele ngabe ibona babekuseseza ungazweli kakhulu ukuthi hayi uyagula ngaphela namakhosikazi maningi. Kodwa nje bethi hayibo umunye wazi wathi lapha awugula uzusho uyabona kaba u15.
uyabona Sneh.
Uba u15 ethi awugula unalutho. Umayeni indlela wayikhuluma ngayo mebeze kuma diary even noma beke endlini ngibuka lapho ukuthi ayi akakhulumi nje kahle nobaba ubaba zakhale caca ukuthi uyakhala even uMakhumalo lapha kube kuyidina ontontoni amthatha ambhekisele akuzange kube right mina ngiphatha kahle yangiphatha kuhlungu lonto ngaphela mina ngangibona ukuthi uyagula
cabanga wena uyingane ukwazi ukungibona ukuthi ngiyagula kodwa umuntu onkosikhazi akabona ukuthi
akabona ukuthi uyagula kunaloko ukuphathisa more stress
le stress ekuthiwa singangiphathi
le stress ekusesinga uyazi ukuthi mase siphinde sikuphathe kwesibili stress go home.